Have you ever wondered how a dish with just 3 ingredients can be so delicious? Today we're diving deep into the origins, preparation, and flavors of Rome's iconic Cacio e Pepe. Cacio e Pepe translates to cheese and pepper in Italian. It's a simple Roman dish made with just 3 ingredients: pecorino romano cheese, black pepper, and pasta. The preparation involves cooking pasta in salted water. Once cooked, the pasta is tossed with grated pecorino romano cheese and freshly ground black pepper. A key element of Cacio e Pepe is adding some of the pasta's starchy cooking water. This helps emulsify and bind the cheese to the pasta, creating a creamy sauce. Despite its simplicity, Cacio e Pepe is considered one of the best pasta dishes by many food critics and enthusiasts. The dish's origin dates back to the Roman era. Today, some recipes include additional ingredients like butter or olive oil, but purists insist on the original 3: cheese, pepper, and pasta. This simplicity highlights the quality of each ingredient. To make Cacio e Pepe at home, ensure your cheese is finely grated for an optimal creamy texture and use freshly ground black pepper for a burst of flavor. So there you have it, the simple yet elegant Cacio e Pepe. Have you tried making this dish at home? What was your experience like?